Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here with me today. My name is Tolu Lovelies. I brought you 2-in-1 recipes. In this video, you are going to see super yummy chicken soup and of course, okra soup. Super technique, the best way to prepare your okra, you are going to see it here. Shout out to Amarachi Nwakama watching from Abia. Thanks for liking our recipes. Remember to leave a comment, like and share. Have you seen the soup we are going to prepare together? And this is the okra we are going to prepare together. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. That is the chicken I'll be using today. This is hard chicken. It is super for soup. All right. I'm adding salt into it and I'm adding ginger and garlic powder. If you don't like it, you can just leave ginger powder out of it. No problem, but I love it. I'll be adding thyme into this. Curry. Black pepper. Seasoning. All I need to do now is to mix everything together. I'm going to combine this together, and after that I'm going to add diced onion. I'm using enough diced onion. It's super good for boiling meat. All right, so I'll be adding some water, and after that I'm going to cover and bring it to a boil. So while the meat is boiling, what I have here are tomatoes, onion, bell pepper, red bell pepper. I added ginger and garlic. I added some water now, and I'm now going to mix until it is well blended. If you have watched this video up to this stage, that means you're my fan. Please remember to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much. So lovelies, let us check our boiling chicken. This has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. I'm just going to mix this together again, and I'm going to cover it and boil for another 20 minutes. So that is it. It is now super okay. I'm going to take them out of the meat stock. This meat stock is perfect for jollof, perfect for anything you're going to cook. Remember, I will prepare that. So, lovelies, in another pot, I'm going to be pouring vegetable oil into it, and I'll be adding some diced onion just to flavor the vegetable oil. All right. After that, I pour the blended pepper mix into it. So, I'm going to mix them together and cover and cook. This has been cooking for about 20 minutes, but please always open it and stir together occasionally. So after cooking this for about 20 minutes, it's now time to add tomato paste into it. We call this tin tomato back at home. Tin tomato. I'm going to use just 2 things into this soup we're cooking. Now combine well, and I'll be adding some meat stock into it. So I'm going to cover and cook again. So let's check it again. After 22 to 25 minutes, this is what I have on the middle heat. I'm going to go ahead and add seasoning into it now. And all-purpose seasoning. This is optional. If you have it, it is good. So mix everything together and add some salt. Don't forget we added salt to our meat stock, so be gentle with it. So it's now time to add the boiled chicken. Combine them together. And now cover and cook. While that is cooking, let's start our okra. These are the okra I'll be using. They're already well washed. I pat them into 3 places. This is the first one. I'm just going to grate this. I'm using grater to grate this. Like I said, this is the first one. So this is how it's going to look. Yes, this is middle fine. I'm going to keep this, and let's start with the second one. So that is the second one we are doing now. All you need to do with this is to just slice it. We're going to leave this chunky, all right? We're just going to slice this. That is it. And I'm just going to keep it aside. And this is the third one. Just cut it into two. Get your blender, pour it into your blender, pour some water, and blend it until smooth. This is what you're going to have, all right? So we have 3 texture, and when you combine everything together, I bet it you're going to love the result. You are just going to love the result. It will be slimy, it will be chunky, and it's a must try. Don't let me talk much. It is a must try. So now you're going to mix everything together. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to mix them, combine them well all together. So lovely, let us check our chicken soup. Our chicken soup or chicken stew, call it whatever you like. It is ready. It looks super yummy and the aroma is everything. So in a pot, pour some water. I added very little potash into it. You can use baking soda if you like. Now bring it to a boil, and it's now time to add our 3-in-1 okra into it. All right, add it into it and now mix them very well with the water. Let them be well combined. Have you liked? Have you shared? If you haven't, please do so. Leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching us from. Now just boil it for about 3 minutes. Add seasoning into it. Add your locust beans. Add some salt. Don't forget, locust beans contain some salt already. Just very little salt. And now mix everything together and allow it to just cook for about 2 to 3 minutes again. Once it gives you these bubbles, like first 1 or 2 times, just mix together, and that is it. Okra is so simple. It is ready. Don't overcook your okra. All right, this is ready. Take it off the cooker. Now it is time to serve. I'll be rocking this with some more. You can rock this with fufu. You can rock it with eba or pounded yam or amala or starch. Oh my god. So let us look at the stew again. Let us take some out of this delicious chicken soup. This is perfect for swallow, perfect for rice. Use it for yam, use it for potato. You can even eat bread with this stew, but I'm rocking this with swallow. Remember to wash your hands when you are washing. When you want to eat this, I've washed my hands already and I'm rocking this. I don't need any cutlery for this. My hands are super okay. This is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.